Do you know that if you sneeze too hard, you could fracture a rib? Yes, sneezing can fracture ribs. Sneezing is a sudden and forceful expulsion of air from the lungs through the nose and mouth. When a person sneezes, the pressure within the chest cavity increases rapidly, and this sudden force can cause various muscles to contract, including the muscles between the ribs. If the muscles between the ribs contract too forcefully during a sneeze, it is possible for the pressure to be exerted on the ribs themselves, potentially causing a rib fracture.